Hello everybody. Okay, so this is video number 4 in the walkthrough for the iRacing Blue Screen of Death repro. In this one we're going to install VoiceAttack. VoiceAttack's a speech recognition and text-to-speech program that I use because I race in VR, and fumbling with the keyboard and mouse and stuff is a pain. So I really like VoiceAttack for doing fuel maintenance or management and stuff like that, and it's great. So we just installed Windows from scratch, iRacing, and Z1 server. We're now going to install VoiceAttack. So we go to VoiceAttack.com, click on the download link, download version 1.7.5. I'm going to save it. So I really use, there's a set of plugins for VoiceAttack that's called the Digital Race Engineer. That was designed for iRacing, and that's what I really use. But for this repro, all we have to do is install VoiceAttack. We don't have to do the Digital Race Engineer plugin or any configuration within VoiceAttack. So we're going to run VoiceAttack installer that we just downloaded. I am going to deviate from the defaults and create a desktop shortcut. And we're going to launch VoiceAttack. So you could register it, or you can run it as a demo if you just click the go exclamation point. I'm going to go. I'm not going to show these tips startup anymore. And there's the VoiceAttack window. So that's it. We don't do any configuration of any kind. All we needed to do was install it. That's it for VoiceAttack. Next up, we're going to install OBS Studio. Thanks for watching.